heard sounds that some people can't hear. Listen closely. Share this video and let's see if this works for your family or friend. And don't forget to subscribe.